Hi everyone. As you might know, Fox-1 flight model is out, and everybody likes to be the first in line to get the latest. I have a little in with the manufacturer, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the Fox-1 flight model here for you. So let's take a look at what we get. Well, it arrives in this nice Pelican case, carefully packed and protected. As you see, it's got a TSA security lock for protection. So we can remove that and take a look inside. There we go. You've got, this would be the Fox-1 flight model right there. And this looks like an owner's operator's manual. So that's handy to have. Pretty thick. Got a lot of stuff in it. And oh, what do you know? If you look at the back, there's an ad for some HTs that, well, they're probably useful with Fox-1 through D, but they're not going to do a whole lot of good with Fox-1 So here's the owner's operator's manual, and who needs that anyway, right? If you're a real ham, you don't need a manual. So let's take a look at what we got here. Let me wash my hands off just a little bit from handling the suitcase here. Get the anti-static wrist strap on, and here we go. Here comes Fox-1. That out of the way. There it is in its anti-static bag. That'll be the Plus X panel there. Looks like the Plus Y. So let's put her down here and we'll take a look and see what we got there. Get rid of the shipping container. And I'm going to clean this up again a little bit because we don't want any dirty junk getting around here from the shipping container and what have you onto our flight model, right? So there. All right then. We can undo the bag, see what we got inside. Looks like we're looking at the plus Z. No, that's the minus Z. The minus Z end of the CubeSat there. So I'll take it out of the bag. And there we go. That's the minus Z end. You can see the springs and the deployment switches. Over here, that's the plus X. As I pointed out before, here's the minus Y. That'd be the receive antenna, the 2-meter antenna, whereas the other Foxes, that would have been a 70-centimeter antenna. The 70-centimeter antenna is the transmit antenna here on the plus Y. And, well, I guess that kind of wraps it up. So that's what comes in the box. I see it's got these solar panel covers on it, which are nice for protecting the solar cells. And I guess the next thing to do is we'll move on to testing and getting Fox-1 RadFXSat 2 ready for launch. So thanks for checking in.